Something unexpected and deeply unsettling has emerged from the battlefield. Here we are talking about a weapon designed by the United States, built for precision, engineered for modern warfare. It may now be in possession of Iran. Not destroyed in an explosion, though, not intercepted mid-air, but recovered, almost completely intact. And that changes the entire conversation. Ladies and gentlemen, according to reports from the Iranian media and the IRGC2, an unexpected GBU 39 small diameter bomb was discovered in western Iran's Loristan province. Now, this is not an ordinary piece of weaponry. It is one of the United States military's most advanced precision guided bomb. Compact, highly accurate, and designed to strike targets with minimal collateral damage. Weighing roughly about 113 kilograms and guided by GPS system, it is built to hit with precision and leave very little room for any sort of error. But this time something didn't really go as planned. Well, the bomb, it did not explode. Instead, it reportedly landed and remained largely intact. In fact, images circulating online appears to show the weapon laying undetonated on the ground before being carefully secured by the Iranian bomb disposal team. And wait, that image alone, it raises one critical question. What happens when such advanced technology falls into the hands of your adversaries? Because wait, that's no longer just about a failed strike. This is about what comes next. If Iran has indeed recovered this US bomb, well, and that too in a working condition, it could study its internal system, analyze its guidance mechanism, and understand the engineering behind one of America's key strike weapons. And wait, in modern warfare, that kind of access, it's valuable. It can help develop countermeasures, improve the defense system, and even inspire reverse engineering effort. So this means the battlefield is no longer limited to explosions or impact zones. It extends into laboratories, research facility, and intelligence unit, where captured technology can quietly shift the balance of power. And yes, the timing of this development, it makes it even more significant. Even as fragile ceasefire holds between the US and Iran, both the sides continue to assess, adapt, and prepare. In fact, the pause in direct confrontation, it does not mean the competition has really stopped. In fact, it may have simply moved in a more strategic phase. Now, adding to this narrative are the claim from Iranian sources, highlighting their growing military strength, including large missile and drone stockpile. While such figures, they are very difficult to independently verify, the message being projected here, it's clear: confidence, capability, and readiness. Now, in this context, the recovery of an unexploded US bomb, it becomes more than just an isolated incident. It becomes a symbol, a message, a reminder that even the most advanced systems are not untouchable. And in war, every mistake can become an opportunity for the other side.